This is going to be a brief review of the Dyson TP07 air purifier and fan. This is quite a big purifier, as you guys can see. It takes up a lot of vertical height, not a lot of actual space on the floor, but just make sure that you have a lot of vertical space in order to put this in, because it is quite tall. And this is not their top of the line model, but it is close to the top of the line model. I think retails for I think around $700 US. I got this secondhand used for about $400 US. So yeah, I wouldn't pay full price for this because it is quite pricey, but that's why I got it secondhand. It has a very unique design, and once you see this design, you know immediately that this is a Dyson, because their designs are very distinctive. So as you can see, they have this big oval shape here that's used for distributing the air. So this is the fan basically, and this is quite useful, of course, in the summer. Vancouver summers are getting hot these days, and we don't have air conditioning, so it's pretty necessary to have a fan. And air conditioners are hard to install, right, in condos basically, which is where I'm living. So basically we had to go with a fan, and yeah, that's part of the reason I got this, is because I needed a better air purifier and I needed a fan as well. The air purifier part is the one that's down here, and yeah, this is a combination air purifying fan, which is pretty cool. So it saves some space. I can have both a nice moving fan, and I can have a nice air purifier as well. It comes with this remote, so I'll just give a brief demonstration of what it does. First, let's turn it on. All right, so now it's moving. It does have like a little tiny display here, so you guys can see it's in auto mode right now. So the fan's set to auto. I guess it determines what setting it is, and I can use let's test out the other functions here. So this will bring up the information. Just look at this. This information, 24-hour air quality, and this is basically a little display of the air quality here. So on this little chart here, you'll get an indication of how good or bad the air quality is. So you can see PM 2.5, that's when I press more information. PM 10, VOC here, NO2, 20 degrees, even measures the temperature, I guess, of the room. 45% humidity, and then this is what little animation here as well. So right now it's set to auto, and it's it could be connected to Wi-Fi. I think you can download an app for this as well. Yeah, so there you got a little indication of the air quality here. And I think you can also I think on the side here also show you like what different, let's turn it over a little bit, show you what it detects for. Okay, here we go. Yep, so we get benzene, nitrogen dioxide, ammonia, acetic acid, and last one is, I can't read this, acetaldehyde or something like that. So yeah, I guess that's all the stuff it detects for. So yeah, we can right now, again, I have auto mode, so you can set it to auto, or you can set it to manual. So this is manual mode. I have the fan set to 3. I can also increase the fan or decrease the fan. This is like a TV remote, but of course it's used to control the fan speed right here, 1 being the lowest, and of course I'm going to turn it to max, which is all the way up to 10. So you can hear it getting louder and louder, right? So this is fan set to 10 when it's really hot, but I'm going to turn it down to, actually I'm going to set it back to auto here, because I guess it knows that it's not too hot right now, so it doesn't need to turn the fans up a lot. It has a temperature sensor. Then it has this button here, which oh, I hear a little noise here. I wonder what this one's doing. It changes the way that it distributes the air or something like that. Oh, okay, hear a little noise. It changes how it distributes the air or something like that. This one changes how much it should rotate, so I can either have it be stationary, or I can be at 45 degrees. This is what I set it to right now, since I don't need a lot of coverage in my bedroom. But if I'm in like a wide open area, right, I can have this set to 90 degrees, so a bigger turn, or I can have it set to 180 degrees even. So 180 degrees, I can even set to 350 degrees, which is like just turning in a circle. but I'm just gonna keep this at 45 for now. And then I have this night mode or sleep mode here as well. 1 hour, 2 hours, 4 hours, 8 hours. So I guess this is like how long it goes before it sleeps. You can schedule that. So that's pretty cool. So yeah, that's it. The Dyson TP07. It is an expensive device, but it is nice to have a combination air purifier and fan for those of you like who want both. And I do think that, you know, especially in the summer months, it's really nice to have that. But even not in the summer, right, it's still nice to have the air purifier, because that's always handy, right? You know, for people who have allergies and stuff like that, especially like me who have asthma, allergies, you know, allergies to dust and stuff like that. Really useful to have it. So guys, the Dyson TP07 air purifier fan. That's a little demonstration of that. Thanks for watching. Pretty nice device if you can pick it up used.